Hello students and welcome back to my front office lecture series. Today we are going to look at part 2 of guest relations, a service that matters. In the previous session we have gone through importance of hospitality desk, role of a hospitality desk and role of GRE, that is guest relationship executive. Hospitality desk plays crucial role in establishing relationship with the customers. One of the most important role that is played by the desk is to anticipate guest needs. Hospitality desk often serves as a guest first and long lasting impression of a meeting. So, it is a vital responsibility of the hotel to choose a person with correct personality traits for this desk, who will establish a great relationship with the guests every time. On that very note, I, Rasika Shahane, Assistant Professor at AISSMS CHMCT Pune, would take you through some important objectives of session 2. The objectives for today's session are to understand the personality traits of guest relation executive, to understand the records maintained by guest relation executive, and to study the formats of records that are maintained by GRE. Understanding some of your core personality traits as well as those of the people you are close to is always helpful in relationships. By better knowing each other's personality traits, you can respond to the needs of your guest and build stronger partnership. Let's have a look at some of the personality traits of GRE. The first one being effective communication skills. Excellent communication skills enhance guest experience as it conveys that you are listening to your guests, valuing their feedback, and conveying clear messages. This can lead to customer loyalty, increased business, and eventually hotel becoming more successful. Time management skills. Effective time management has multiplicative effects on the staff and guests. It results into accomplishing more in lesser time, improved decision making, efficient and effective service to the guest, reduced stress on employees, more learning opportunities for employees to enhance their skill set, and better focus on guests and day-to-day jobs. The next personality trait that we are going to look at is attention to details. In hospitality industry, everything is judged by your customers. Therefore, everything needs to be of the highest standard in order to build company rapport. What's more, as a skill, attention to detail is highly transferable across job sectors due to its importance in improving excellent customer service. Hospitality desk, to be precise, needs to have more attention to details in terms of providing consistent service to the customers in the hotel on their every stay. Another personality trait of a GRE is positive attitude. When the situation changes, people with a good attitude can adapt, respond, and excel appropriately compared to someone with a poor outlook. In the service sector and wider hospitality industry, a person with a good attitude is a pleasure to be around, and that's good for your customers and co-workers alike. In the situation where complaints are received by a GRE, it is very important that the complaint is handled with positive attitude. What the guest requires is solution, not the offensive attitude or justification to his complaints. A GRE needs to be a good team player. Teamwork is often a crucial part of a business, as it is often necessary for colleagues to work well together, trying their best in any circumstances. It plays a vital role in hospitality industry. Without the effective teamwork, no work can be success. GRE is responsible for coordinating between a guest and other departments of the hotel. So it is very important that GRE works as a good team player, doing effective coordination with other departments, offering excellent and efficient service to the guest. An enthusiastic and self-motivated employee with a great attitude is a plus. Employees of the hospitality industry are enthusiastic and self-motivated about their jobs and strive to do the best work possible. They want to give their guests the best experience available at all the time. Guest relation executive also strives to give a very good experience to the guest in every stay at the hotel. Being empathetic is also one of the great personality traits a GRE should possess. To ensure your guests are having a positive and personalized visit depends strongly on the staff and the way the establishment is operated. One of the best ways a GRE can provide better service and deeper connections with the guest is through empathy. Another quality or personality trait GRE should possess, that is sound decision making. You cannot solve a problem without making a decision. Complex the problem is, the more important is to be methodical in your problem solving approach. Keeping calm and analyzing a situation before coming to a decision is very important. Whenever GRE receives any guest complaint, it's his or her duty to analyze the situation in correct manner and take a decision by remaining calm and composed and without making the guest feel defensive or offensive. After the personality traits of GRE, let us have a look at some of the records that are maintained at the hospitality desk. The first record that is maintained by GRE at the hospitality desk is the feedback form. Collecting a feedback gives perspective in the direction that needs improvement. It also helps in maintaining the appreciative qualities of your hotel. Customer feedback helps to innovate and improve your hotel services to better align with the requirements of the customers. It's the job of a GRE to take feedback from the customers at the time of the checkout. Let us now look at the format of the feedback form. In this form, you will get to know that various departments have been listed and the feedback has been asked on the rating, that is from excellent to poor. Of course, the scope for comment is also given on the feedback form. The guest is expected to write his room number and name for better clarity. The second important record maintained by guest relationship executive is guest history card. Guest history module plays a vital role in guest and hotel interaction. It provides quick information on the previous visits of a guest during check-in. The information displayed includes last visit, total visits, preferred room type, revenue generated, discounts given, and number of days stayed. The display of guest history during check-in is helpful in applying discounts and redeeming reward points. Moreover, details from the history database can be used to send personalized letters and emails. Such periodic mailing helps to increase loyalty. Let us have a look at the format of guest history card. As you all can see on the slide, the history card formats demands for a typical information like name, company, designation, address, credit, date of birth, marriage anniversary, which is more of a personal information of a customer. And below, the information of his previous stay at the hotel is noted, such as on which date the guest arrived, the room, rate, on which date he departed, the amount that he paid, special instructions that we received, and any remarks that hotel has passed. Another filled format of a guest history card for your reference, in which all the parameters have been filled for the better understanding. Here we come to an end of session 2 of guest relations. In this session, we have understood personality traits of GRE and some of the records and their formats maintained by a GRE. To have better understanding of part 2, students to attempt the quiz, and the link for the same is been given in the description box. Thank you students for watching the video on guest relations. Hope you enjoyed the session. In case of any questions or queries, you can email me on the given email ID. Do subscribe, like and share the video, and of course wait for more such videos on front office operations. Thank you so much once again. Hope to see you all soon.